Hey guys, what's up? Might as well start getting the footage of what's going on outside. Maybe I can get some more subscribers or whatever. But I think it's October. Is it like it's October.
Might be a little bit of hail. Look at it bouncing off the parking lot.
It's I think we got hail too or something. Okay. I don't know what it is, but all I know is that it's snowing quite heavily. I hope you guys, it's hard to see this. These snowflakes are actually really big. Hi kitty! Meow! These snowflakes are just mammoth. So you can sort of see them there, but it's like October. I have no idea what the date is. Like 15th? I don't know. It's the day that this is uploaded is the day that it is. So I'm uploading this like right after I go inside. But there was just hail in the parking lot, and it's 34 degrees, and we're just in Pennsylvania, Lehigh Valley. And I'm in a t-shirt, of course. Miami Ink. Awesome. But look at it. It's like ridiculous for October. Hopefully, I really hope you guys can see this. There. See all that? It's all snow. Here's Kitty. Oh, Kitty. Kitty. A big YouTube star. Yeah. Big YouTube star. Yep. But it's just quite ridiculous. And we were just at the doctor, and all of a sudden we're leaving the rooms in the back just to hand that lady at the desk all the papers for her to give us our copies or whatever. And all of a sudden Hunter and Harley go, "It's snowing!" So then like the whole staff is looking out the window and it's snowing, and we're all like, what the heck? And we drove home, and it was really heavy in some spots. It was ridiculous. But, like, look, the leaves are green. You know, it's, well, some of them. But, like, it's just really early for snow. So I thought it was really cool. So, hopefully someone else got this snow and they have videos of it, because I'd like to see more. But it's pretty cool. So if you watched it, thank you guys. If you liked it, subscribe. Maybe I'll have more wacky videos like this of just what's going on, some vlogs or whatever. And Rosie is gonna say bye. Say bye. Meow. Say bye. Rosie, come on, say bye. Rosie, Rosie, look. Hey kitty kitty, look, say hi. Or say bye. Meow. Look, say meow. 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 Rosie. There's her house. We got her a collar so people don't try to take her, because we had people trying to take her. What are you smelling? It's your own house. Kisses? Oh, thank you. Well, that was our goodbye kisses. So, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.